Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, the greatest common factor of two multivariate monomials. So I have two monomials here, so no addition, subtraction, but multivariate means they may have more than one variable, and they do. This one has u and v's, and this one has y's, u's, and v's. So when I try and find the greatest common factor, I'm still going to break them down with my factor trees. So 28 u to the 6th, v to the 5th. For 28, I have 2 times 14. 14 is 2 times 7. So I'm not going to write all of these out because you've seen that a few times now. So you know there's 6 u's and 5 v's. So my breakdown here is 2 times 2 times 7. And then there are 6 u's, 5 v's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And this one's just trying to break me. That's okay. As you get more practice with this, you'll stop actually writing out the variables, and I'll show you another way you can approach that in a second, especially when you have these two monomials as opposed to a whole set of them. So breaking this down, we have 2 times 10. 10 breaks down to 2 and 5. So 2 times 2 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now that I have all of those written out, I'm going to start circling my pairs. So I have a pair of 2's, another pair of 2's, no 7's, no 5's. I have u's here. So it looks like I have 4 sets of u's. There are no y's up at the top, so none of those are going to get circled. And then I have 3 sets of v's. And then I have no more v's to go with that. So bringing these down, just one set. So if I ignore, say, that top one, 2 times 2 times u times u times u times u times v times v times v. When I multiply all this together, I get 4u to the 4th v cubed, which is your greatest common factor. So another way you can approach this is you have to find the numbers like normal, but with the variables, there's another way of approaching it. You can look here and say, well, I have 6 u's, and this is 4 u's. Whichever one's smaller is your greatest common factor. So 6 and 4, the smaller one is 4, so that's there. Here I have 5 v's and 3 v's. Which one's smaller? 3. That's your greatest common factor. With the y's, it's a little harder to see, but I have 8 here. How many y's do I have in this one? None. What is smaller, 8 or 0? Right, 0, which is why there's no y's down here.